Say every journey starts with a single step. Today it was with a touch of a button. A Loveland boy recovering from a lightning strike got back in the game. And as you'll see, he has quite a team behind him. It's a story you'll see only on 9 on Your Side tonight. It wasn't just a turn at bat that brought these boys out to Loveland Middle School. They wanted to see Ethan Kadish back on these ball fields where he was hitting home runs just before that freak lightning strike at summer camp 15 months ago.
The reason why we chose a home run derby is actually on field number 1. He put 2 balls over the fence in back-to-back innings.
Coach Carl Huther organized this second annual home run derby to help fund continued therapy for Ethan.
What we know is that our doctors tell us there's no plateau, and so Ethan's recovery is really a function of how much effort he puts into his therapies and his treatments, and how much effort we put into encouraging him to participate in those.
It's been amazing to see him go from someone who couldn't even open his eyes to someone who's aware of his surroundings, able to look at you and acknowledge your presence.
And best of all, says Big Brother,
he smiles. He smiles, and when he smiles, you know that you're doing something right. And it's the best feeling ever.
The family borrowed this adaptive batting device from the Joe Nuxall Miracle League in hopes of putting a smile on Ethan's face. Coach readies the crowd for Ethan's return to baseball.
So we're going to have him officially hit one into the fence for us.
And it's batter up.
Bring your arm down. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, buddy. It has been incredibly heartwarming to see the outreach and support that we've gotten from the community. And events like this give us strength to move on and to keep working on Ethan's recovery.
Right now, Lucy May has an in-depth article on WCPO.com about Ethan and so many people pulling for him tonight.